Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials now. Sign into Google, enable AI Studio, and check billing. Don't pause. Once done, open text-to-speech and pick the language and voice family. You need this before tuning. Prepare short test lines and any SSML tags you'll use, because iterative listening is where quality is made. Make sure to choose a sample that contains punctuation and numbers so you can hear prosody and clarity. This first setup saves time later. Now you move into the detailed configuration. You choose the specific voice model and speaking style, and then test a clip. Listen for naturalness versus robotic cadence. Once you find a baseline, tweak pitch, speaking rate, and volume gain in small increments. Changes compound quickly. If you need numbers or dates read a specific way, insert SSML sayas or break tags. Test iteratively. Change one setting, render, and compare to avoid chasing multiple variables at once. Finish by exporting and integrating your audio into the target workflow. Choose WAV or MP3 and the sample rate matching your app. Then either download the file or call the TTS API with your API key for dynamic generation. Once integrated, validate timing and clarity in the real environment because headphones differ from speakers. If something goes wrong, revert SSML to plain text, reset voice parameters to default, and a /b test to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.